Bokriyan da hi hoga.
Dear friends, today we have come far away from Goa in Punjab, in the district of Firozpur. As you will see around, the water from the river Satluj has overflowed and destroyed a lot of the crop over here. Further down you will see that also the river has overflowed onto the roads. It is blocked over here and people have been rescued by these boats. These boats are from the BSF. There are some private boats, and from what we gathered, they never really felt the need for any boats over here until the Punjabis, innovative as they are, they built up some boats which were less about a lakh and above as compared to the 15-20 lakhs that would be available in the rest of the country, and they have tried to rescue the people which were deep inside. The Satluj River is something about 7 kilometers, but you can see we cannot even reach that place. The place has been covered and all the crop over here, which is paddy. I was told that in last 15-20 years they started growing paddy instead of cotton. So here we are, and we from street problems, upon the appeal from some of the Pilar fathers who have a place over here in Batinda and have an outreach program for such eventualities. So Donald, myself and Joseph, we have come over here to help out. So we have bought some of our dry rations and mostly like organic sanitary napkins and all for the people. So hopefully we should be crossing this thing and going into the boat and able to reach the people over.